Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Wilkerson. Thanks for joining me, and as you can see, I am in another woodsy area in the state of Ohio doing a little bit of foraging here when I came upon this huge or even massive tree that had fallen, and I began to see remnants of puffball mushrooms. Now, puffball mushrooms are one of my favorite mushrooms. They are edible as long as you catch them when they are young and in their prime. As I glanced at this tree, all I saw was puffballs that were beyond their prime and in the spore stage when they are releasing their spores. For example, that's them. That's when it's inedible. And I thought to myself, wow, if I had only gotten here maybe a few days earlier, I would have found some mushrooms that I could have harvested. However, all is not lost. As I began to continue to walk this tree out, I saw that there were a lighter shade of puffball mushroom on here, which means that they were young and vibrant. Ta-da! We've got some healthy puffballs that I can harvest and make a meal out of. Now, most edible mushrooms are considered superfoods. This particular species contains about 37 grams of protein amongst all the other vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that are in them. Wow, I am so happy now. I didn't leave the woods empty-handed. And you think that's something? Check this out. Bammo, Puffball City. These puffballs are highly nutritious and are considered a beginner's mushroom because they're easy to identify. Once you've properly identified these mushrooms, please feel free to harvest them and cook them up as you would any other mushroom. They are delicious, and a helpful tip as a culinary genius, mushrooms take on whatever flavor that you put with them. So put on something that's delicious with them, and I'm sure you'll enjoy them. If you don't know how to cook them up or how to prepare them, please Google it or go to the internet. I'm sure there's a lot of recipes for these, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please hit the subscribe button. And until next time, have a blessed day. Goodbye.